test the graphic power. Okay, the benchmark has the end of the test, and here I show you closer for the FPS and the score, and also the CPU what I'm using, and also the graphic card, and also the setting I set is Full HD resolution, and also come with the screen is come with 1080p, and also the quality I set it to the ultra. And here is the score. FPS is 64.9 and the score is 1634. And for the FPS, the minimum is 8 and the maximum for FPS is 129. Okay, this is the first time we have CSGO, and here is the second. High and 12. This is a test game I want to test is also. Let's start the game. I just pick the song I want to play. Change the setting for the keyboard. Okay, we have Battlefield 4. Check out all the setting for this one. I set it all to the ultra, and the screen for the resolution is up to Full HD. And let's check out for the gameplay.
More incoming, see him?